So if we look at one server failing over to another server in the same data center, maybe they both, but they're on different power legs, or we can have two power supplies and two power chains, where the way that we're counting on that server being up is making sure the power doesn't go out or the cooling doesn't go out. That's redundant. Now, if we want to make it resilient, we say, okay, well, we know this code is smart enough to fail over to another server somewhere else. We don't care where else it is. And so now the power isn't quite as big a problem as long as we know that the servers are on those separate power chains, and so if power doesn't go, if power goes out, it won't knock them both out, right?
Yeah.
But that means that we can have code maybe that is in DC that's backed up in Oklahoma. And if DC goes down, Oklahoma automatically picks up and starts supplying whatever we need. So I think we're going to, and we do that already, but we do it on top of redundancy. So if we have an application, for instance, that's on two servers, and both of those servers have two network connections, two power supplies, we now have an application that's backed up with 4 network connections, 4 power supplies.